Hello everyone, so we are going to install the Orange Fox recovery, and by the way I am currently using the TeamWin recovery project here, and this is the version of 3.2.1.0. This is for me, this is a stable in my device. This is a stable recovery to my Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime, and I use this recovery a lot of times since when I know how to install custom ROMs and kernels. And also I use this recovery to flash root file, something like that, matches or super soup. And then here we go. But by the way, Orange Fox recovery link I will put in the description box so that you can download. First, do a complete wipe here. Delvic, or I think this is not unnecessary, but we will do this. We will try to do this, and after that, guys, connect your phone into your laptop via USB for transferring the Orange Fox recovery zip file. So we're going to connect this via USB cable. So here. So after connecting, we will check via clicking the install button, and here it displays the Orange Fox R11 stable. So I think this is the version 11 or for Android 11, or I don't know what this is all about, but let's just check this. So after you transfer and unplug the USB cable, and then we will continue to install this. So after that, just tap this and then swipe to install here. And I hope this video is you can see clearer in your screen, because I am using a cell phone just to record out this video because I don't have any camera. So I hope you really appreciate my works. No, this is not a work. This is just a tutorial, but credits to the owner of the file. I think the owner of the file is Astraco. I will give credits to him. Dirty. Here it boots na successfully boot. So same as TWRP, after you flash, this will say this modify system partition, and for Orange Fox can leave your system partition and but make it easier for you to take official updates. Swipe nyo lang, just swipe to allow modification, just like a TWRP. So here, welcome to Orange Fox. Here, and it's very unique. The UI is unique and the text is clearer because its color is, I think, orange. Yeah, it is from, I think, from the word Orange Fox, so that is why the color of the fonts are orange, I think. So this is not the file we're going to we earlier installed. Here the backups, and this were the wipe button. Here you can just wipe and then format data, same as TWRP, but only the UI is very unique. It's just like here, it's just like pixel experience, you know, pixel rooms. It's just like there's a navigation here and it displays something like that. It shows what would be the status of your phone, and you can just go back, or here the brightness, it has his own brightness, guys. And then here also the settings, and here you can mount and manage partitions, and also the reboot options, wherein you can reboot via system recovery or bootloader or power off. And yes, that's all for today's video, and I hope you really understand the tutorials and how to install Orange Fox Recovery. It's very simple, guys. Just follow the steps. Very simple to install this Orange Fox Recovery, and though the UI is very unique, it's clearer, and there's also I think here the best feature, the time, the battery, and the battery percentage, which is very accurate, unlike the TWRP I use. So I think this is the best custom recovery. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up, and you can also share this video into your social media or to your friends, and see you